Good morning, my dear children. Today we again start our virtual class. So last day we are already discussed the classification of the verb. That is, verb divides the two group, that is regular and irregular. The verb regulier and irregulier. Regular verb have three groups. That is, premier means first group, desium that means second group, and troisième that means third group. Which verb are ending in er, that is the first group, which verb ending in ir, that is the second group, and which verb are ending in re, that is the third group. So I repeat it again. Verb are two division, that is verb regular, irregular, that is regular group and irregular group. Regular group have three division, that is first group, second group and third group. First group, those verb are ending in er, that is the first group. Those verb ending in ir, that is the second group, and those verb ending in re, that is the third group. So last day we are already discussed the first group verb and the conjugation of the first group. What is the rules how to conjugate the first group verb? Last day we are already discussed. Today we start the second group and third group. And I told you the last day that is irregular verb have no group, only for memorize in your mind. So today we have to discuss the second group verb and third group verb. Last day I give you the four verb, that is first group four verb, which verb, those verb are ending in er, that is the first group. I give you the homework in four verb. I again told you, you write in your copy, and if you not come to the school, you have to take a snapshot and take a picture and send it my WhatsApp number. I have to correction it, okay? But you have to practice every day 10 to 15 minutes in your home. So at first open your copy and put the date. Today's date is 11th May 2021. Day is Tuesday. Subject is French. And today topic verb. Last day we already discussed the first group verb and the conjugation of the first group. And what is the rules of the first group, how to conjugate the first group verb. Today we discuss the second group verb and how to conjugate the second group verb. See the board, I write in the board. I think everybody see the board properly. So I write in the board. First of all, second group verb. Second group, that means which verb are ending in ir. Which verb ending in ir, that is the second group. First group have a particular rules, second group have a particular rules, and third group have a particular rules. This first group, second group and third group, all the regular verb follow the particular rules. So these verb are called the regular verb. And which verb are not follow the particular rules, these are the called the irregular verb. First, second group verb like a finir, F-I-N-I-R, finir, ending in ir. Rougir, R-O-U-G-I-R, rougir, ending in ir. Guérir, G-U-E, accent aigu, R-I-R, guérir. Accomplir, A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-R, accomplir. Mugir, M-U-G-I-R, mugir. Périr, P-E accent aigu, R-I-R, périr. All the verb ending in IR. Finir means to finish. Rougir, that means to become reddish. Guérir, that means to cure. Accomplir, that means to accomplish. Mugir, that means to cover up yourself. Périr, to destroy. So I give one example for finir. 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 At first put the subject, that means je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous. At first put the subject, il, then elle. Then finir. At first ending is omit. That means only write fin. Fin and then fin. Okay? Before IR, you have to write J2will. Which thing I last day discussed, that is ending ER, before ER to write J2will. Here is before IR you have to write J2will. Then adding the formula IS following J, IS following Q, IT following il or al. Nu, that is ISSONS. Vu, ISSEZ. And il or al, ISSENT. ISISIT. That is the formula of second group. ISISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. That is the formula of second group. Write it. So I give you the two verbs from second group, that is rugir and giveri. You have to write in your home, that is rugir and giveri. I think everybody writing complete. So it is your homework, that is second group, two verbs I give you after the complete the class. I give you the two verbs from second group. Then third group. Third group. That is ending in adi. First group, that is er. Second group, that is ir. Third group, that is adi. Atandra, ATTENDRE, ending RE. That is the third group. Atandra, ENTNDRE, Atandra, ending RE. Randra, RENDRE, Randra. Desandra, DSCNDRE, this one. All the verb ending in RE. So all four verbs are the third group. Atandra, that means to wait. Atandra, to hear. Randra, to render it to this verb. Desandra, to get down. So I give you an example for desandra. DSCN. They have to conjugate the third group. At first ending is omit. At first put the subject, that means je, tu, il, elle, nu, vu, il, and descendre, D, I omit, ending omit, DSCND, DSCND. Next one DSCND. Next DSCND. Next one DSCND. Then you have to put S following here, S following Q, il or L nothing to add, only DSCND. Then like first group ONS, like first group EZ, like first group ENT. That is the formula of third group. That is the formula of third group. You have to write it, and we have to cover the regular verb. Regular verb we have to complete it. Next day we start the irregular verb. Everybody practice in your home the regular verb in your homework copy. Okay, I give you the total 4 verbs to your homework. Okay. First write it carefully. Homework, that is Ruji, Gueri, attendre, entendre. Write it the 4 verbs for your homework. Okay. So you have to practice in your home. I again told you, if you any problem, any doubt, just tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.